I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by converting data into tables so references stay stable. Select the range and press Ctrl+T, then give each table a clear name. Once done, save the source workbook and make sure you know whether links must be live or static. Now create the first link. In the destination workbook type equals, switch to the source file, click the table cell, and press Enter. This creates an explicit table reference rather than fragile cell addresses, making future edits safer and clearer for you. Once you have basic links, move to more robust methods. Structured references let you write formulas like equals table sales amount which adapt as rows change. If you need transformations or joins, use Power Query, import the table, apply filters, merges, and load into a new table. Make sure to set refresh options, automatic on open or scheduled refresh if data changes frequently. Otherwise, use manual refresh to control performance. These choices keep your workbook reliable, and to finish, protect any critical formula cells and save a backup copy so accidental edits don't break links. Once done, check data edit links to confirm sources and update or change sources if necessary. Make sure paths point to current folders. If links break, first verify the source file is accessible and not renamed. If problems persist, use Find Links or the query editor to re-establish connections. This single troubleshooting step, confirming the source path, resolves most link failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.